Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to recover your deleted Instagram messages, photos, videos, likes and comments. So in order to recover your data from Instagram, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. The first thing is you have to update your application. For that, head over to your Play Store. On the search box, you need to type in Instagram and then locate the app whether it needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely updated, click the open button and log in into your Instagram account. Once you're logged into your Instagram account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now, right on this page, you have to go ahead and tap on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen, and that's going to take you to this field where you have to tap on the try bar icon. While you're on this page, go to settings and privacy. So right on this page, go to account center, and while you're on account center page, you need to go to the account settings, and under it you can see there's this option as your information and permission. Go ahead and tap that. After that, you'll be able to see all of these, and from here you have to go to download your information, and accordingly, in order to download your information, you have to tap on, then you need to select what you actually want to view. For that, you can also go ahead and customize it by selecting what you actually wish to go ahead and with that. And if you wish to continue the procedure, click on download or transfer information and unselect or unmark all of those accounts that you actually don't need it, and click the next button. As you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and select either one of it, whether you want all the information or you want some of the information. Go ahead and select all information or tap the arrow icon next to it, and accordingly, to download, you'll need to select the device, so go through it and tap the next button. Now you need to go ahead and create a file, so you have to wait patiently until you get further notified. So that's basically how you can recover your deleted Instagram messages, photos, videos, likes and comments. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.